The 7 habits of highly effective people. 7 habits of highly effective people. Seven habits of highly effective people. We required 2 sessions to complete it. In this session, we will come to know what are those habits, 7 habits, which are highly effective people. See, to understand, just a minute, my friends. Yes. See, as I told you that this is everything is for your personal, growth, your personality development. We are learning it. It is a contemporary management framework. Contemporary means latest adaptability is the implied meaning of this. Modern techniques are coming under this. Now, under these 7 habits of highly effective person, which will tell us that how to remove our negative concepts about our life, about our task, and how to understand this kind of things. So please, basically, what we are learning in this unit, it doesn't mean that it is correct. It doesn't mean it is a right. Because wherever you are working, wherever you are going, according to the perception, according to the behavior, according to the atmosphere, we behave. Sometime even happen with us also, that हमें mistake नहीं करनी थी और हमने की. When we use the word गलती से mistake हो गया, mistake ही से गलती, but we use the word गलती से mistake हो गया, and we said a sorry. This is the nature of a human being. But if you want to grow more, if you want to develop more, if you want to do some kind of things, for example, I tell you that when I meet a nutrition, this is the just example. When I meet a nutrition used to tell me his own structure to get a weight loss. He is just telling me that कि इतना खाएंगे, इतना ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए, इतने आपको भागना चाहिए, इतने कार्डियो करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. And the end, in 1 month, 2 months, you will get that 5 kg less. Now he has developed his sense, and he is acting it on you. You people are developing it, and you are sharing this with the other people that he don't go for the spicy because आपके nutrition ने आपके बोला. So you are following your nutrition. So a personality development में भी हम कुछ लोगों को follow करते हैं. So we listen Sandeep Maheshwari, we listen Das Gaur Gopal also somewhere. We listen Narayan Murthy, we listen Sudha Murthy, we listen somewhere as a Captain Raghu. We listen these people. We understand the Mahatriya. So this is what the Patagon principles which we have to be understood. Paradigm is the way of people to see and understand the world around them. पहले हमें आजू बाजू के लोगों को समझना है, and then we'll come to this. Right? We'll tell you 2 or 3 examples. This is now the real example which I experienced. I used to go morning walk. When I go morning walk on Talzai Tekdi, near to my house, there is one Talzai Tekdi. There is one habit which was which was unknown to me, which was not familiar to me. So whenever you just run on that, whenever you just went there, the people who were coming regularly, they used to call each other Hari Om. Now understand, guys, Hari Om. Once they एक दो तीन बार वो आपका चेहरा देखकर हरि ओम बोलते हैं तो खुद ब खुद आप भी हरि ओम बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, and you are sharing this with the new persons from your family who are coming there and would say that कि भैया यहाँ पे एक रूल है, हरि ओम बोलना पड़ता है. Now understand this. This is what is known as a padagram. When I take a walk in a Bangalore, the people can't take anything. People never talk with each other. But most of the people in that garden were using a stick. They were keeping a stick. So हर एक आदमी वो स्टाइल ही है. You have to keep a stick with you at the time of walking. Now my family member, one of the elder 2-3 people also, they have also bought a stick. Why? Because वो fashion है वहाँ पर. Now understand the things. Now it becomes a rule. Padagam. To see a people and understand the world around them. पहले हमें people को देखना है, उनके जैसा रहना की कोशिश करना. रहना इसका मतलब बैड की बात में नेगेटिव बात नहीं करना, उनको समझना है. And then we are converting those people for ourselves. Then we are converting ourselves for the people also. एक बात हमेशा याद में रखना कि there is no going to be change in other people because they don't know the skill what you know. That is what the better. आपके लिए सब चीजें पढ़ाई जा रही है, उनके लिए नहीं पढ़ाई जा रही है. So why you are expecting other people to do work at that? And sometime in Marathi we use the word sonarane कान टोचले पाहिजे. It means that goldsmith only, it is a duty of the goldsmith to pin your ears, and not other people. Not the other people. That is what called as a padagram, to understand the people. What do you have to understand? The personality and a characteristics. Sometimes you feel that, for example, Advait is the person. Sometimes he may call me and feel that, sir, आपके साथ बात करते वक्त अच्छा लगता है, positive energy आती है. Now you understood that what are those things which are having in Umesh sir, which shower the positive energy. And वैसा मुझे रहना है तो उमेश सर ऐसा क्या करते हैं? So I have to take a guidance from उमेश sir. Primary and secondary greatness. Now the primary is your greatness is related to your body. Secondary greatness is related to your mind. Right? Now, what is the power of a paradigm shift? Now, what do you mean by the paradigm shift? Now understand, paradigm shift means understanding the people and molding yourself for the greatness. It is called as a shift. Next is a seeing and a being. Now what do you mean by this seeing and being? See, observing and getting a good things, observing and getting a good things from that angle, it is called as a being and seeing. Observing and getting that good things. Observing and getting that good things between me and you. It may be happen, like, see, my students, I'm not so much techno savvy. I love, but I'm not so much. So I can see that the people are there. I can see that the people are there. For example, Aishwarya is there, now this Rupali is there somewhere else. Now these people are excellent in Excel, Words, PowerPoint. I'm excellent in interpreting the things. Now if I take their help, now I'm seeing it and I'm being it. What I am, what we are, is a result of what we observed. And what we will be is a result, or it will be a result of what we will do. Now understand. What I am, it is my result. What I will do, it will be my being. क्या होगा, क्या होने वाला है, ये मुझे देखना चाहिए ना. I have to understand. So once I understand the paradigm concept, once I understand the character of other people, once I understand the greatness of the other people, once I understand the what I feel, now there are two concepts, friends. There are two concepts. Once if my mama says to me that to go and purchase a 1 kg sugar, there is another concept. And another point is that if I am looking the film movie, right, and I don't want to disturb myself to see that movie, or apart from that movie, so I will not go and purchase a sugar. So it means that we are here failing for our priorities. I'm not telling that you should not make a joy. आप जॉय नहीं कर सकते, नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन आपकी प्रायोरिटीज आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. What was the priorities? To purchase a 1 kg sugar is priority because you can skip movie, you can resume a movie, but you cannot resume that 1 kg sugar. ये जिसको समझ में आ गया उसको पूरी लाइफ समझ में आ गई. What is important? Now let's take the example of morning walk. If I ask one by one to each and every person, then how many of you are going, including me also, then 95% would say that we are not going morning walk continuously. Now, if you will be called for delivering some sessions for exercise or for healthy life, you will start your sessions with the morning walk, but you are not going for the morning walk. Why? Because we are understanding the paradigm, but we are not using the principles of the same. What are the 7 habits? Please understand. And why the 7 habits? In these 7 habits, what we are going to understand is consistency means what? How to do the daily work, daily task. What are the problems which we are facing while doing the daily tasks? How I can express myself with the other person. That expresses one's character. And what to produce their effectiveness. Then learn and unlearn. Habits can be learned and unlearned. Now, learn का मतलब ये है कि there are 2 types of habits. Advait said that I am a short tempered. It is also one of the habit of Advait. That to reacting immediately without a thinking on any incident, and then you realize that ये नहीं करना चाहिए. So what I learn from you is that when I learn positive things from Advait, it is called as a learn, and when I said a negative learning, that is called as an unlearn. Now here I have to stop myself and say that ये जो अद्वैत ने किया उसका नुकसान ये 4 बार हुआ. I don't want to do that kind of things, repeat that thing. Why? Because nature ने अद्वैत जैसा एक एग्जाम्पल हमारे सामने रखा है, और फिर भी हम अगर सीख नहीं रहे हैं तो नेचर हमें जो अच्छा लगता है वो देता है. अगर हमें बुरा अच्छा लगता है तो बुरा ही हमेशा हमारे पास आता है. If we have a habits which we are going to learn, 7 habits, this will develop our knowledge, skill, and desire. This will develop our knowledge, skill, and desire. What is the first habit? Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Great. The first habit is be proactive. Now, proactive means what? Otherwise, can you focus this? Proactive.
फोकस होना चाहिए हर चीज पे. मतलब कोई कुछ बता रहा है, जस्ट उसके रिगार्डिंग आंसर देना चाहिए, ध्यान रख के काम करना चाहिए. दैट्स द प्रोएक्टिव.
Yes, yes. Proactive means understanding the beingness of a person. Understanding the beingness of a person. Now, beingness मतलब क्या है? Present tense. And be alert. Be alert. Now, what happened? See, we fail to decide a priorities. We are going to learn this. Now, every human being, every person is a social mirror. Now, what do you mean by the social mirror? Social mirror मतलब आपको कुछ एग्जांपल्स देता हूं मैं. आपको पता है when I don't think so that whether you have seen this movie or not. Dil To Pagal Hai was one movie. Aishwarya, have you seen this movie?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when this movie came, huge success of that movie. Then in every college, every chauraha, the people started using the clothes like this. You know, so many people in South has imitated their structure, their clothes like a Rajnikant. You must have heard this kind of news, isn't it, Aishwarya? Why it happens? Yes. Why it happens? Because it happens because of the word social mirror. We are a social mirrors. Whatever happening outside, whatever happening inside into the society, we are taking in and we are producing it. हम आलसा होते हैं. जो भी होता है वो हमारे चेहरे पे आ जाता है. Second part is that, now please understand that it's a very important point. Why proactiveness is very important? Because the first is a general concept. What we see, okay, no issues. For example, I tell you, my 2-3 friends went to the barbecue nation and they click a selfie in that barbecue nations having that prawns and something is in their hand, pineapple and grilled pineapple. Then after immediately, I could observe, because I'm a researcher. That's what I said, that I'm a researcher. I observed that those who have seen the things, those who have seen that kind of things, these people also went barbecue nation within 1 or 2 months. Within 1 or 2 months. Why? Because social mirror. Now, understand what they done is not here important. How they done is very important. They have just stimulated themselves from the point of selfie, point of a status. Status में देखा, isn't it? देखा आपने देखा होगा कि when there is a middleman company and middle class company, and a wife is saying, if one day wife used to come and say that, shall we go for outing? Then husband says, okay, no issues, we'll go. But tell me that how you come to know that how suddenly you are coming? Nothing. वो जो neighbor है ना, वो जोशी, वो मेरी सहेली है ना, they went last month with their family. Where is the stimulation? Stimulation was they went, then my neighbor went for a holiday. That is a stimulation. And now our part will start. What is the difference between common person and the intellectual person? Now I'm calling to those people who are intellectuals, who are at least using the syllabus into their life, this syllabus into their lives, who understood what is the proactiveness. Now, when we get stimulated in our body, while giving the response is a much more important for them. Now understand, I have one neighbor. What is her work is that if I take a sofa, within 8 days she has to purchase a sofa. If I take a television, she has to purchase a television. Now what happened? I can afford this kind of things. Why? Because my salary is excellent. I can afford this. Why? Because I'm a rich person. I have completely developed myself in such a way on every angle, but it is not happening with them. So what they're doing is that they're using a credit cards. They are going and telling that I will give you money in some days also. they are purchasing certain things, understand the response towards the stimulation. Advait, समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I know this was a response towards stimulations. This was a response. Now generalize हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं ना, generalize बात कर रहे हैं. अद्वैत तुम्हारे बारे में भी ऐसा होता होगा. अद्वैत, ऐश्वर्या, all the people who are listening, you know, तुम आपके बारे में भी ऐसा होता होगा कि let's take the example of this band, neck band, Bluetooth. We saw Facebook, we saw status, we saw Amazon every day. Today's deal, and we can see that कि अरे ये अच्छा है. Stimulation. Response क्या देना है? 90% of you are having a two headphones. One which was come with the phone, that was the traditional, and second one which you took it. Why? Because of the stimulated. And then your salary is a 10,000 and you are purchasing a 1,000 rupees things and you are listening the sessions of a Peter Drucker or Warren Buffett that care how to make a money. Second point, third point is, isn't it? Advait, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Actually, I have two.
Yes, Advait.
Both are neck bands. First I took for office use. Then just I'm surfing Tata Click. Then I like another one, so I purchased that also.
Yes. So this is the fact, isn't it? Response. So Advait, I have one question to you that कि मैं ये बाकी के लोगों को नहीं पूछ सकता because see देखो ऐसा कभी हमने अगर सोचा अद्वैत कि second one which you took अगर वो तुम्हारे पास आज नहीं होता तो क्या होता?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता. एक्चुअली मुझे उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं, मैंने मेरे भाई को दे दिया वो.
Okay. So what is the price of this, Advait?
Second one's price is 2,600 and first one's 699.
So second का जो 600 का जो price है अद्वैत, if you could have invested into one SIP, what could be the price of now? It may be 1,000.
Yes, obviously.
This is what the stimulus and response का gap. All of you, are you with me? सब मेरे साथ है?
Yes, sir. We are.
Yes, sir.
Have you got my message? Are you enjoying my sessions or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the things, the difference between stimulate and responses. And girls, every week, you know, I request all of you is that at least decide like कि shopping के लिए जा रहे हैं और shopping करके आ रहे हैं. It is okay. Purpose of going outside is a shopping and you are shopping it. I understand. But purpose of going outside is just wandering or walking and you're coming with the shopping. This one. Third is circles. A lot of things are there to talk with you guys. Circles of concern and influence. What do you mean by the circles of concern and influence? I tell you guys. देखो इसमें होता क्या है? Circles of concern का मतलब, let's take it in this way. There is one circle. There is one circle. There is one circle. Now this is circle number 1. This is circle number 2, and this is circle number 3. You have to make some circles on our priorities. For example, wife, parents, family. Next is that friends, or you may come here. This is US. You decided. Then company, and then what next? You have to make a circle for everything. For example, if you are earning a 10,000 rupees money, how you are going to spend? First what, second what, and third what? This way. Warren Buffett says that 30% of your salary should invest. So 10,000 अगर आप कमा रहे हैं तो 3,000 रुपए आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए. Warren Buffett says. Nowadays people says that first you have to invest. and then expense and then save, and if the whatever the money will remain, enjoy. हम क्या होते हैं, हम इसी में अकड़ चुके हैं. यहाँ पे नहीं समझ में आता है कि we have to increase our liability, increase our payment also. Circles of concerns. You keep your persons, if you keep your priorities into the middle circle, then the rest, then the rest, then the rest. Now there are 3 points. One is a direct, indirect, and no control. Find yourself. Understand yourself. देखो, Advait, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, मैं थोड़ा ऐश्वर्या से बात करूंगा. ऐश्वर्या, ऑन रखना माइक तुम्हारा.
Yes, sir.
See, we'll tell you that कि we both are going for a walk. हम दोनों वॉक पे जा रहे हैं 5 मिनट के लिए. और वॉक पर जाते जाते I just slept. मेरा पैर फिसल गया. And you are very near to me. What you will do? आप मुझे थोड़ा सा पकड़ने की कोशिश करोगे. अरे सर धीरे बोलेंगे. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now second is indirect. Now what do you mean by the indirect? Indirect means you understood कि सर फिसल जाते हैं. So next time when sir is coming at your home for having a tea and he is leaving, what you would suggest, sir? क्या करोगे आप? सर को क्या बोलेगी जाते जाते?
ठीक से जाओ.
That is called as indirect. Okay. अब मुझे बता देना कि ऐश्वर्या हम दोनों रास्ते से जा रहे हैं. मैं फिसल गया. You are helping me. I agree. Okay. तो यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर आगे one vehicle is slipped. What you can do?
मीन्स मेरे को समझा नहीं.
See, we both are going. I slept. Why? Because I just near to you and you helped me out.
Okay.
But you can see and visualize that you are in a Chandni Chowk and you can see that 1 kilometer away from a Chandni Chowk, you could see that one bike persons or one person like Umesh sir is slept somewhere as वो पड़ गया वहाँ पे पड़ा. What you can do?
I'll be aware, like, so please hold me.
मैं 1 किलोमीटर दूर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. तो you can only see. What you do? Answer is Aishwarya, you can't do anything.
Yeah, I cannot do.
तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकती. देखो 3 पॉइंट यहाँ पे आ गए. तुम कुछ कर सकती हो. करने के लिए तुम डायरेक्ट कुछ कर सकती हो. तुमने सर को हाथ दिया और उठाया. दूसरा तुम क्या कर सकती हो? सर को बोल सकती हो कि भाई यार तू कहीं पर भी गिरता है तो आराम से थोड़ा सा अच्छी तरह से चल. इनडायरेक्ट. एंड थर्ड इज दैट अगर तुम पुणे में हो और सर सांगली में गिर गया तो तू क्या करेगी?
कुछ नहीं.
नो कंट्रोल.
Yeah.
Now these 3 points you need to understand in your life. Where you can help direct, you can help. Where you can help indirect, you can help. Where you are no having a control to help the people, why you are worrying?
Yes.
Why you are worrying? You can't do anything. You understood? See, you both are a colleague. And because of a mistake of your one of the ex colleague and उसके बॉस ने उसको गालियां दी, आप क्या कर सकते हो उसमें?
कुछ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं ना. आप क्या करना है? आपको स्टिमुलेट हो गया पॉइंट, रिस्पॉन्स मिल गया आपको कि अरे भाई ये बॉस थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है. आई थिंक आई हैव टू वर्क माय विद इन अ टाइम. दैट्स इट.
Yes.
नाउ देयर आर सम पीपल अपना काम छोड़कर उसको काम मदद करने के लिए जाते हैं. इट इज ओके, छोटा सा मोटा, लेकिन उसको समझाते हैं. फिर बॉस को जाकर समझाते हैं कि वो लड़की बहुत अच्छी है, उसके ऊपर यकीन रखो, ऐसा करो वैसा करो. और 3 महीने में आप दोनों का ही
झगड़ा.
You understood?
Yes.
Some scholar says we are not going at a workstation for making a friends.
Yes.
Okay. नाउ द हैव्स एंड द बीज, इसका मतलब मैं आपको हिंदी में थोड़ा बताता हूं कि जरूरत और चाहत, ये दो शब्द, अद्वैत कैसे है दो शब्द?
होता है डिफरेंट।
चाहत और जरूरत, हर चीज में देखना जरूरी है कि जरूरत है या चाहत है।
Yes.
और अगर जरूरत है तो ही हम परचेस करेंगे, जरूरत है तो ही हम बोलेंगे, जरूरत है तो ही हम डिसीजन लेंगे। 3 chiefs military head is standing in front of you, he is taking decision, and you are telling that what is my opinion is that we will take off all the planes from Pune airport. Who are you?
No one.
Yes. Making and keeping commitments, try to make a commitments, try to keep a commitments. कल शाम को, there are 2 types of commitments: commitment to yourself and commitment to other people. Commitment to yourself and commitment to other people. Commitment to yourself का एक best example is alarm. Commitment to myself, alarm बजता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द अलार्म इसीलिए बजते हैं क्योंकि बंद करें। अलार्म ही हम लगाते हैं बंद करने का, और अगर स्मार्ट मोड है तो स्नूज करने के लिए अलार्म, 6 o'clock का अलार्म, उठे स्नूज। So you have to follow the commitments. बहुत सारा है लेकिन मैं थोड़ा begin with the end of in the mind. Now what do you mean by this? Please always understand, guys. You be fresh to yourself. I have a television, I have a good music system, but now this is a live example, guys. I have a television, I have a good music system, but I never recharge my television. I have kept it for my old parents who used to come and see a Marathi serial, what they feel. I do not go with the research. We 3 people, whenever we required, we use a smart TV or we use Amazon Fire and we see some knowledgeable points. What happened? I tell you, continuously looking at the accident news. When I drive car, the first thought come in my mind is accident. First thought come in my mind is सब ठीक है ना, और कुछ नहीं है हुआ, जा. This is happening, guys. This is happening. We are taking worries. It doesn't mean that all newses are worries, but nowadays most of the newses are worries, and these news for them is a profit-making business. Why you are not understanding? If I'm wrong, correct me. Profit-making है बेटा.
Yes, sir.
It's only profit-making business. Now tell me that whether these democratic people are working with this or these people are working with this, डिसाइड करते हैं कुछ अलग, करते हैं कुछ अलग, झगड़े करते हैं कहीं पर अलग, होटल में मिलते हैं अलग है, एंड वो सब लोग करते हैं और एंजॉय करते हैं लाइफ. दे आर हैविंग अ टाटा सफारी, दे आर हैविंग अ लैंड क्रूजर, and we are only thinking to see them and we are making a recharge to look at them. Understand, guys? What second habit says is that कि हर चीज दुनिया में 2 बार होती है, एक आपके माइंड में और दूसरा आगे में आपको पता होगा कि आप जब गाड़ी चलाते हैं, whether it is a 2-wheeler और 4-wheeler, जब आप पहले दिन गाड़ी सीखने चले थे तब यू वर फीलिंग दैट इट इज अ हार्ड व्हीकल। इतनी बड़ी 200 किलो की गाड़ी मैं 2 पहियों पर कैसे चलाऊं? आया था कि नहीं ख्याल आया?
आया था।
यस। अब क्या है कि मैं कैसे चलाता हूं ये मैं भूल ही गया हूं। अब चलती है। Why? Because the first created in the mind, second created into your heart. Okay. Now we have to decide that whether we have to design or a default. Default memory क्या होती है? पापा मेरे ऐसा घर में है, देखो पापा टीचर थे, मैं टीचर बन गया, मेरा बेटा टीचर का ही करियर करेगा। डिफॉल्ट। डिजाइन में क्या आएगा? पापा टीचर थे, मैं असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हो गया, या मैं कुछ आईटी में चला गया, देन माय सन विल play badminton and will enjoy his badminton everywhere, and he will do his career in the badminton. Design. Why? Because we are designing something as per the knowledge. We are designing something as per the knowledge ना, हम knowledge से skills decide कर रहे हैं, हम understand कर रहे हैं. It may not be possible ना, this kind of things may not be possible. Okay, leadership and management, two creations. Management is something different, leadership is something different. Leadership is something where you people are doing first and then asking people to do. Management is something different where the team comes and you people are doing it for the other people. Second is a personal mission statement. You have to keep your personal mission statement. क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे जाना है, मेरी हद कहाँ तक है. See, even I will tell you the small personal mission with you also. Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. सब लोग हैं मेरे साथ? Yes. Akshata, are you with me? Komal, Onkar, Rohan, Neha.
Yes, sir.
Now I was talking something about this. Now understand, guys. Personal mission statement is basically a big task. It's a basically big task, big word. But हम छोटी सी बातों से शुरू करते हैं. When I read this book, and I started very small thing. Small thing was, shall I take? My doctor advised me, I am an acidic person, so my doctor advised me that avoid taking a pickles in your food. जितना हो सकता है उतना pickles खाना नहीं है. I put this according to this personal mission statement. It's a very silly concept actually. Silly concept मतलब ये personal mission statement is a very big sentence. But what I am telling with this is what. And then मैंने देखा कि मैंने personal mission statement में देखा कि मैं 2 महीने कोई भी पिकल अभी नहीं खाऊंगा. और जितना भी ignorance से हुआ, then I saw that 13 times I took a pickle in my food. Yeah. Now the success is out of 90 days, I have only taken up 13 days. Now what I have taken, I'm just ignoring because of I have just created a personal mission statement. I've just mentioned it. If you just see, I'm just routing my laptop for you people also. See, if you just see also, you can see the whiteboard near to this. Can you see this, Advait?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Every day I'm mentioning this. This will be my long-term goal. This will be my short-term goals. इस week में मुझे क्या करना है? And I have just distributed myself in the some parameters. Sleep कहाँ होनी चाहिए? Enjoyment कहाँ होना चाहिए? कर्म कहाँ होना चाहिए? Spirituality कहाँ होना चाहिए? I have just made it. That is what I'm happy now. इट डजंट मीन। और क्या होता है, हमें प्रॉब्लम कहाँ होता है, मैं आपको बोलता हूँ। प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि कोई भी बंदा, अगर उमेश्वर हो, सिलेबस हो, माँ हो, बाबा हो, भैया हो, दादी हो, गर्लफ्रेंड हो, बॉयफ्रेंड हो, कोई भी भैया जब अपने फ्रीडम के ऊपर एनक्रोच करना शुरू कर देता है, तब हम रेसिस्ट करते हैं। और हम रेसिस्ट तब करने शुरू करते हैं, तब हम उसको रेसिस्ट, इसका मतलब हमें कोई लेजीनेस से बाहर निकलना चाहता है, कभी कोई हमें उस एक अपने एक स्केलेटन से बाहर निकलना चाहता है, तो पहले हम इतना रेसिस्ट करते हैं कि उस आदमी को हम अपना एनिमी मानते हैं। एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? यस मयूरी? Yes. Neha, what is your opinion?
Yes, sir, it happened.
Yes, it has happened. It happened. Yes, Neha. Yes. Neha, you want to share something? I'm sorry I disturbed you.
No, sir. Yeah, I'm done. I was telling that yes, it is true.
Yes, it is true. It is happening. It is happening. क्योंकि वो एनिमी होता है ना, क्योंकि वो बोलता है ना पापा, और सबसे बड़ा एनिमी हमारा फादर होता है। He used to tell us 7 बजे के पहले घर आना है. He still used to say it. Even in my father also used to say me that कि पेट्रोल कभी भी रिजर्व पे नहीं होना चाहिए. Any emergency come. Now I said that कि तुम्हाला काय कळतं? Now so many petrol pumps are there. And my neighbor could find a difficulty. Why? Because he was thinking that कि कल डालते हैं petrol, and he forget to do it, and he used my car. You use my car. Why? Because his father got a cardiac attack. I feel that I have given him a car. That's what I saved him. But the reason is I saved him because of my father's suggestion. Now that is what the very important part. कभी अनफॉर्मली हम मिलेंगे, इनफॉर्मली हम बोलेंगे, तब मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ कि कैसा रहना चाहिए. If you want a personal guidance also, you can call me. Okay. Now at the center, ये सेंटर है अपना. अपने आप को पहचान कर काम करना है. अच्छा. I never like speed. ये मैंने उमेश को पहचाना है कि उसको स्पीड अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So you always go cool. Sometimes for some person speed become his passion. He definitely will live with the speed like a Michael Schumacher. No issues. But you have to find yourself. There is another alternative center. Alternative center means what? Part जिसे हम बोलते हैं ना part B. Part B can be an alternative center. ये नहीं तो क्या? किसमें मैं कम एंजॉय करूंगा लेकिन मैं एंजॉय कर सकता हूँ. And you need to identify your center. Okay, once you've done all these things, indirectly you become or directly you become a proactive person. Third is put first things first. कभी ऐसा होता है नेहा तुम्हारे साथ कि ये काम करते करते दोपहर को समझ में आता है कि अरे I forget to brush my teeth.
सर ये तो नहीं होता, बट कुछ चीजें हो जाती हैं, लाइक प्रायोरिटीज, मतलब जब प्रायोरिटीज होती हैं तो कुछ चीजें आगे पीछे हो जाती हैं, एंड देन आई फॉरगॉट कि मुझे ये पहना या ये है.
Yes. Now here, yes, here we are learning here. Put first things first. What is the principle of a personal management is? Put first things first. Now ये first thing first क्या है? The priorities which you have decided in habit 2, you have to put first in those kind of things. What is important? क्या important है? Journey important है, आपको घर जाना important है. And see behavior. Now for example, I tell you that कि sometime it may happen that once in a month I along with my family used to go for the hotel, having some dinner. Intention is not have a fun. Intention is that I respect my wife, and whatever she is doing every day, night and night in cooking, let me offer her a one small dinner where she will feel, where she will give an order. And I always in that way, I never give an order. I always ask that कि घर में भी मुझे खाना परोस के ही मिलता है, यहाँ पर भी खाना परोस के ही मिलने वाला है. Why should I decide? You decide your dish. She feel very great, right? Now, sometime it may happen that it is not possible for me to go in 1 month also. Why? Because I am aware that what should I put first things in the first. तो ये नहीं करता हूं मैं. अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि हम कभी कभी रिलेटिव्स के घर गए तो वहां पे खाना पीना हुआ, आराम हुआ, एंजॉय किया हमने, हम आ गए. तो आई थॉट दैट कि जो एंजॉय वहां पे जाके करना वहां पे हो गया, सो आई कैन स्किप द होटल. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड गाइस, दिस वे. ये मैंने पहले ही बोला कि बहुत लंबा है, इसलिए आई एम जस्ट रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग माई सेल्फ टू कंप्लीट अ पोर्शन विद इन सम टाइम. पावर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट बीइंग. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. वंस वी डिसाइड, बिकॉज देखो हमारा माइंड हमेशा हमारा माइंड बेड पे सोना, व्हाट्सएप लेना, दूसरों के स्टेटस देखना, ये रिसेंट एग्जांपल्स है इसलिए हम शेयरिंग. यूट्यूब पे जाना, फेसबुक पे जाना, जस्ट लुक एट दिस फेसबुक. कोई कमेंट भी नहीं करेंगे, किसी को लाइक भी नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन सबका पढ़ेंगे. हम किसी बवाल में एंट्री करने से भी डरते हैं, किसी को अप्रिसिएशन देते वक्त हमारा ईगो आड़ आता है, लेकिन हम अप्रिसिएशन भी पढ़ेंगे, हम बवाल भी पढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे. ये हमारा स्ट्रक्चर है, ये हमारा कल्चर है. सो वी हैव टू डेवलप अवर इंडिपेंडेंट विल. अपना एक मकान होना चाहिए, अपना एक विश्वास होना चाहिए, अपना एक मत होना चाहिए. इवन इन केस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल आल्सो, whenever I put that, whenever there is some kind of things which I need to discuss, I always discuss with my family in group. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? And then I will do whatever I feel. But they feel in this way that they've been asked. They are so important for me. Right? There are generations. In these books, they have given 4 generations of a time management. We have to work with the reminders, planning and preparations, prioritizations, planning and controlling, right? Quality and a personal leadership. Believe me, guys, in my whole career, I have not paid single rupees fine for any kind of payment. Are you getting my point, Mayuri, Aishwarya?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Jayashree, are you there? Single rupees fine. Even though the electricity bill which come, and if you fill that electricity bill, within that day you will save 10 rupees. है पैसा मेरे पास, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है क्या what I can do every day. This is what the example of my small financial planning. Please understand, guys. Every day. Now what happened? Arey, nothing is going to happen. Who told you? 10 rupees में my son's 2 pencils come, suspensive. 2 suspensives come, which he can use it for reading, which he writing for 2 consecutive total notebooks for 2 to 3 month. अब आप बोलेंगे आप ऐसे आदमी को कंजूस बोलते हैं. नाउ हैबिट 2, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. ये सब पढ़ने वाले हैं हम. जैसे आप मुझे कंजूस बोलेंगे, व्हाट आई विल से दैट की डायरेक्ट, नो कंट्रोल. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपको कुछ सजेशन नहीं दूंगा और मेरा काम तो चलता रहेगा. आई एम सेविंग माई मनी एंड यू आर लूजिंग योर मनी. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू डोंट लाइक मी. Reminders. इतना स्मार्टफोन है, बिलीव मी गाइस, you all are having a smartphone and you don't know. I'm just making a arrogant statement, but with responsibility and with the love. You don't know 2% of your smartphone how to use it also. Otherwise, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
2%, 98% way of using a smartphone, you don't aware about it. आपको पता भी नहीं है.
Yes, exactly.
आपको, मैं अगेन बोल रहा हूं, आपको स्मार्टफोन की यूटिलाइजेशन के बारे में पता भी नहीं है. गूगल कैलेंडर क्या है, रिमाइंडर्स क्या है, नोट्स क्या है, वॉइस स्पीकिंग क्या है, अलर्ट क्या है, लॉक क्या है. हमें ये भी जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये भी मेरा 2% में ही आता है बताने, क्योंकि मेरा भी नॉलेज इतना नहीं है. लेकिन वी आर नॉट यूजिंग इट. वंस यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट ना, यू विल फील अ मिरेकल. ये फोन भी आपको बहुत तगड़ा बना देगा. Isn't it? People, I met with the one personality, he never work and earning in a crores. अरे एटलीस्ट मैं सेशन तो ले रहा हूँ, शेयरिंग माय नॉलेज. आप कुछ नहीं करते हैं, अर्निंग इन crores. How it is possible? Then I realized him when I sat with him. I don't want to disclose his nature and the way of work, but when I sat with him 8 days, then I understand. अरे बाप रे, एक घंटे में एक बार ही मोबाइल देखता है या 5-4 बार ही मोबाइल देखता है और अपना काम करके फिर से सो जाता है. अर्निंग इन crores. And there are people who are earning 20,000 rupees per month, 9 to 5 o'clock, 9 to 6 o'clock. बॉस की गाली है, बॉस को गाली है, फिर सहन नहीं हुआ इसलिए दारू पी के आ गया. And that person cool, calm, donating so many amount, earning so many amount. फैक्ट्री को डोनेट करता है, ये डोनेट करता है. पैसा पैसे को खींचता है, लेकिन पैसा पैसे से पैसे, ये हमने सुना है, पैसा पैसे को खींचता है. ओके, ये पता है, ये अपनी अक्ल हमें पता है. लेकिन पैसा पैसे से मिलता भी है, ये पता नहीं है. We always think that ये चीज है, ये माउस है, इसके 40 रुपए मैंने लिया. क्या किया तूने? 40 रुपए से माउस लिया. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. इससे ज्यादा क्या, 40 रुपए से 80 रुपए आने की टेक्निक अगर आपको सीखना है तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा आपको खुद को, आपके प्लस पॉइंट्स को, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स को. I had one student of MBA who was going at 6 o'clock, sharp 6 o'clock, he was going and teaching our students, and he was earning 30,000 rupees per month from his teaching. MBA के बच्चों को मैथ साइंस नहीं पढ़ाना आता, पढ़ाना आता है, वो जाता है, पढ़ाता था बच्चों को और पैसे लेकर आता था. 30,000 रुपए पर मंथ. और एक रिच पर्सन पापा को फोन करके 5,000 पर मंथ पॉकेट मनी मांगता था. सबकी प्रॉपर्टी करोड़, इसकी प्रॉपर्टी लाख में, लेकिन ही इज एंजॉयिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डूइंग. वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट थिंग्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज रिमाइंडर नहीं है, प्लानिंग नहीं है, प्रिपरेशन नहीं है, प्रायोरिटीज नहीं है, प्लान और एंड डटे रहना. आप अपने प्लानिंग के ऊपर डटे रहना बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Important है. इसका मतलब ये हो गया ना कि आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग माय वाइफ, वाइफ माय यूज्ड टू कम एट, इट इज 7 o'clock 8 o'clock, so used to, it is her habit to come and ask me that कि चलो आज खाना आप. Then I would say that कि no, I will not anything because I wanted to sleep today, empty stomach. I will take it milk, half cup of milk, that's it. When I go outside from my study room, then I saw vada pav is coming, gulab jam is coming, jalebi is coming, veg triple rice is coming. Then I thought, chalo, nahi, yahan par you have to control, even though you want to eat it, even though if you eat it there is no going to be a side effect to your bodies, but once you committed, you try to understand, you try to respect that your commitment, even though वो commitment false है. अबे शुरू करके देखिए, छोटा छोटा शुरू करके देखिए. आज सोते वक्त आपने डिसाइड किया कि मैं कल व्हाइट शर्ट पहनूंगा, व्हाइट शर्ट ही पहनना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है दुनिया को, आपने व्हाइट पहना, ब्लैक पहना, ब्लू पहना, रेडो पहना या कुछ नहीं पहना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है दुनिया को। दुनिया तो तय हो चुकी है क्या बोलने वाली है। There is a three groups always. One group would say that you are looking very nice because you are a boss of them. Other is there who is talking to you that saying that ये क्या पहन के आया है, and third is there. ये दोनों में से कुछ भी करो आप, third is always there. Sometimes they would say yes, उनका मूड है तो, sometimes they would say no, उनका मूड नहीं है तो, इनके लिए हम जीते हैं।
यस सर, सही बात है।
That is what, and at the end what happens, इन तीनों में से जिसका क्वांटिटी ज्यादा है उसका टेंशन हम लेकर सोते हैं।
इससे 100% सही है ये बात।
Yes, you have to leave.
इट्स ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी।
It's human psychology. इसीलिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, एजुकेशन क्या पढ़ाता है, एजुकेशन ये देता है ना, this is the way and this is the process and this is the work of me faculty to cultivate your mind from common man to superman.
यस राइट।
This is what the things ना, ये तो सीखने वाले हैं ना, यही तो सीखने वाले हैं हम यहीं पे। ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी है, ओके, नेहा बोल रही है कि ये हमारे साथ होता है, सबके साथ होता है, ये कॉमन, लेकिन बाहर कब आओगे? When you are coming out, you know, why you are sharing the personal things with the persons who is meeting you, why you are sharing your 15 years personal things with the 1 year's friendship persons who have done with the 1 year friendship. Are you getting my point?
Yes sir, got it.
See, मैं एक bad things आपके साथ share करता हूँ and then we will stop. Bad things. एक colleague ने, she was a lady colleague. Colleague ने, she was upset somewhere else. She was my good friend. But होता क्या है, लेडीज और जेंट्स कलीग में इतना लगाव नहीं होता है जितना लेडीज और जेंट्स में होता है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम अद्वैत, विल गोइंग समवेयर एल्स एंड हैविंग एन पान टपरी एंड विल हैविंग, यू नो, ए तो क्या कर रहा है, ये क्या कर रहा है, चलता है। तो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इनफॉर्मल जब आप होते तब आप ज्यादा नजदीक आते। इट नेवर हैपन विद द लेडीज एंड आई रियली कीप दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, यू नो, बिकॉज ये रिस्पेक्ट होता है। नाउ शी हैड डिस्कशंस विद मी, ओके, आई थॉट दैट कि ठीक है, मैंने सुना, सुनकर मैंने suggested something and just went. Now that lady with the colleague expresses some thoughts. What she expresses? She expresses a thought like, when I was a child of 1 year, my father, you know, asked my wife, my father asked my mother to leave a home. My mother married with another person who is my father now. When it happens, I was 6 months or 1 year old. इसका मतलब उसको ये सब चीजें पता कुछ नहीं है या उसने देखा नहीं है. She heard it because her mother told her that kind of things. Such a very इसका मुझे बता दीजिए कि the history of these things, this is whatever I share a statement. What is the use of this kind of statements, pens, what you suffered in your existing job?
There is no need, sir, to gain sympathy, I guess.
Yes, and sympathy has nothing to do with your life. There is no need. That lady shared it with the colleague, and colleague started telling to the most of the people, and the one comment come, तो तुम वो पहले वाले पापा की लड़की हो या दूसरे वाले पापा की लड़की हो? Because of this statement, she went into the depression. She went into the depression for 3 months. She was alone. And what was the problem? Because she shared it. And now my question to you is that whether it was necessary?
No, in office we can't share our personal things.
Very
There is no
professional.
need to share.
Yes.
Be a professional in office.
See, whether it was necessary, मतलब नेहा मैं ये बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि सर कहीं तो वो रिलीज होना चाहिए ना, जरूर होना चाहिए, लेकिन कहाँ पर क्या रिलीज होना चाहिए?
Yes, it is not important to discuss these personal things in the office. I mean,
Yes.
अब बाहर भी फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, मे बी वी हैव, मतलब मैं एक कॉमन बात कर रही हूँ सर कि हमारे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स भी होते हैं, हमारे बहुत क्लोज फैमिली मेंबर्स भी होते हैं जिनसे हम अपना दुख बयां कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग, क्योंकि ये चीज होनी ही है, जो आपने एग्जांपल बताया वो ऑफिस में होता ही है, क्योंकि जो आदमी और मतलब XYZ जो भी आपके अगर 1 ईयर से फ्रेंड है तो डेफिनेटली वो ऑफिस में गॉसिप्स होते हैं और चीजें बाहर जाती हैं, तो आई थिंक everyone should be very professional and that's a good learning and I think जो भी जॉब करते हैं वो जॉब में जाके सीखते हैं, और अगर जो जॉब नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आज आपका लेक्चर सुन के people should learn.
Yes, exactly, sir.
ये necessary है ना बेटा, ये necessary है. Even though if I'm teaching to you also and I'm sharing my one of the tragedy with you, what's the use of that? क्यों करना है? क्योंकि आपको मेरी ट्रेजेडी से लेना देना है. What I'm telling you, positivity in your brain, and you will earn so many money from, and you will settle in your life with a very delightful manner. That is very important. That's the important. It is quadrant 2. What is necessity? What is West? What is a deception? आपको पता है? Now, when you come at your home, your little one used to come and you will say, पापा पापा आपको पता है उस बंदे ने ऐसा किया, मेरी पेंसिल ली, फिर मैंने उसको बोला, फिर मैंने किया. आप क्या करते हो नेहा जी? आप क्या करते हो? क्या करते हो इसका मतलब क्या जनरली होता है? What happened?
Yeah, can you repeat the scenario?
See, when you are coming at home, when you elder person is coming at home and the child little one used to come immediately, 1 year 2 year 3 year का बच्चा आपके साथ आता है और वो she started sharing his thoughts, like आज ऐसा हुआ स्कूल में, मम्मा टीचर ये बोली, देन मम्मा ने मुझे खाने को नहीं दिया, देन मेरे से ग्लास टूट गया, देन all these things are happening and he is just boring you or he is just sharing with his thoughts 1 hour to you. What is your response to him? He is your child. I'm talking
Yes.
about the child. I'm not talking about the friends. Even though your child is telling you a lot of things, you will not concentrate on unnecessary things which has been told by your child. Right or wrong?
Yes, right, but हम ignore भी नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं. Very good. Ignore नहीं करेंगे. Why? Because we are just concentrating the quadrant 2 point necessity. And we are not concentrating on the quadrant number 4 West.
हम उससे मतलब हमें जितना सुनना है हम उतना ही सुनेंगे, लेकिन हम उसे इग्नोर भी नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वो एक बच्चा है.
Yes, बच्चा है, इग्नोर नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन कल जब नेहा तू क्लास में जाएगी, कल जब कॉलेज में जाएंगी, तो आर यू गोइंग टू टेक अ serious instructions or whatever the serious points which has been shared by yesterday your son that की पेंसिल टूट गई, अब वो क्या करेगा? Answer is no. We got quadrant 2. What is the second point of 4 point is that put first things first, right? And every time you have to do is that. And then fourth point, we will end the sessions with the 4th point. What it takes to say no. The person who is having a quality to say no, he will always win. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, 100% right.
Yes, sir.
Now saying a no, yes, Neha, saying a no, it doesn't mean that you are insulting the other people. Why? Because some people say no directly on the face of the person. नहीं, मुझे तेरे साथ नहीं आना है. I'm not talking about that no. I'm talking about the assertiveness of the no. instead of saying no, if I use the language, I would love to come with you for the dinner, but next time we will go. This time it is not possible for me. You agree?
Yes, sir. I agree.
So hope you have enjoyed this session.
Yes, sir.
Hope, Ashwarya, hope you have got some kind of good inputs in this session. Mayura, Chinmay, Rohan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will stop here and we'll take further the session tomorrow.
Yes, actually, sir, I want to share one thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ऐसा लगता है कि आपका लेक्चर और एक 1 आवर तक चला तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है.
Even I didn't realize कि 8:15 हो चुका है.
हाँ.
पता ही नहीं चला. Yeah.
Learning,
Yes,
yes, sir. Good learning.
Yes.
Just feedback about you to you instead of other teachers.